How to add multiple pictures to Instagram stories. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to add multiple pictures to Instagram stories. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Instagram app. Once you have done that, simply open Instagram and then go to Stories by swiping right, and then make sure that you are on the Stories section. So click on Story, and then once you are here, there are actually two ways in adding multiple pictures. The first one is with the use of the layout feature, and then the second one is with the use of stickers. So let's just go first with the layout. So click on this button right here, which is this one. Or if you cannot see that one, make sure to click on the arrow button right here and click on layout. So once you're here, you may add four photos. So the default one is four photos, and you may actually change the grid and click on two photos, three photos as well, six, and then the two photos option. So you may click on any. So once you have done that, you may either take a picture or video or click upload image right here. So you may choose an image and then choose another image, and then that's how you can add multiple pictures. For the second option, you may just take a picture, for example, or upload a picture. So for example, I'll just um, choose this one first, and then you may go to stickers right here, and then look for this icon. So with this photo icon and then the photo on your camera roll. So click on it, choose the photo that you want, like this one, and then you may resize this one. So you may choose or resize it right here and then post it afterwards. So that's it. That's how you can add multiple pictures to Instagram stories.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.